Hi there, I'm Toby Richards, and today we're going to be shooting high-speed photography using the Haynel Capture. I want to take a photograph the exact moment that a crossbow bolt travelling at several hundred feet per second is fired into a grapefruit. It's a really tough shot to get, and the timing is absolutely critical, but the capture is going to automate the process, detecting the precise moment the bolt is fired, then firing a pair of speed lights.
For this shoot, we're using the Haynel Capture Module Pro, 2 capture receiver units attached to 2 speed lights, and we'll be flagging off the rear one of these using some props that we brought with us. The Module Pro has been set to auxiliary mode and will trigger the speed lights when the crossbow is fired and a circuit is broken. We use the stereo jack to phono cable connected to crocodile clips, which create the circuit through a piece of aluminium foil wrapped around the crossbow string. So we're setting the shot up in a lightproof studio, using a manual exposure of 5 seconds on the camera, and freezing our moment in time using the flash from our speed lights. But the capture system is really versatile and can also be used to trigger the camera's shutter or multiple studio lights, and with a 100-meter range is fantastic for shooting outside as well. The speed lights are on manual, have been set to their shortest flash duration, and the capture receiver units have already been synced to the Module Pro. Using additional speed lights is really easy and simply requires an extra receiver unit for each one. A quick test to check the flashes are firing when we break the circuit, and then it's time to do a test using the crossbow, but without a bolt. Everything seems to be working fine, so time for our first full test. Because we don't know how fast the crossbow is, we're going to set an arbitrary delay on the capture, take a shot using a wide-angle lens, and hope that we can see where the bolt is. The plan worked and we can see the bolt, so we're going to drop the delay right down and bring in the props for our first photo. Because we're working in the dark, the fact the whole capture system is wireless makes life really simple and a lot safer, and the range of the units makes it perfect for wildlife or sports photography. Quick focus check and then I'm ready to go. The shots worked as planned, but I'm going to add a bit more delay to the capture, so the bolt will be further into the grapefruit with more spray from the exit point. And one more tweak to the delay, and a change of fruit, and we've got our shot. Watch the rest of the films in the series from the links below, or visit the Haynel website for more information on the capture.